All right, everyone. So, आज के it's going to be very special day today because I forgot the Valentine's Day. Yes, that's on me. But one thing that I'd like to say that I have been doing a lot of things. Honestly, I've been preparing for my short film, which is released on my channel right now, so you can watch it. It's called 12 Hours in the City. Although I didn't really spend 12 hours, but yeah, it is what it is. But today, especially on 16th of February, 2 days after Valentine's Day, I have a special thing for you guys so that you can impress your beloved one, with something that is really heartfelt. It is something that you will be able to shock to them. बिल्कुल बहुत चक्के रह जाएंगे, ऐसी हालत होने वाली है उनकी, तो आज ध्यान से रहना. So as you can see that I have this Chinese 101, right? So you can see that Konnichiwa Chinese 101. Yeah. Today we are going to learn something which has been said many times across many different countries, across countless timelines, and by billions and billions of people. But today we are going to talk about in Chinese. Why Chinese, you would say? Why Chinese? Because, well, my significant other knows Mandarin and she is preparing for the specifically traditional Mandarin. And yeah, with that I'll be able to help you guys something really special to your loved ones. So this is Zishin, okay? Z, you can say Z, you can say Zishin. Zishin means I, okay? So the Zishin means I. So say with me. Yeah, that's that. And this means vode. This means vode. Okay, vode. And this means ziba. You can say jiba or you can say jiba. Well, you can go for the Indian accent, which is jiba, or you can go for the Chinese accent, which is I don't know what. So whatever the fuck, we're gonna go with it. That's how we roll. So Zishin Wode Ziba. Zishin Wode Ziba, which means, say it, Zishin Wode Ziba, which means I love you or I like you. Okay. Now you can even use the English alphabets of it, which means you can see it here. Zoom in. Zishin Wode Ziba. Now you can just say it with me once again. Let's for the practice. It's going to be really awesome. Okay. Zishin Wode Ziba. Yeah, catchy, right? Okay, so now this is something that you should say to your significant other without even thinking about anything, because this is something that they will love. This is something that they will be like, oh, is bandi ne to Chinese English. Why? I mean, Mandarin is considered to be one of the difficult languages to learn in all of linguistic culture. So you can just say this and impress your loved one, and that's how it's going to work. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much. See you later. Bye. अरे ये मम्मी डिकंस्ट्रक्टिव आर्ट होती है, मम्मी आप नहीं समझोगे. Yeah, that's how it's gonna roll. Yeah, this is one thing that I haven't showered today, but yeah, whatever. Who cares? I know you laugh, so yeah, keep smiling.